Today, 10 years later, we celebrate our 500 project milestone, which includes various major projects such as hospitals, commercial buildings, residential villas, palaces. The special thanks goes to the UAE and makes it so easy to succeed if you work hard. Secondly, and most importantly, our team. Since architecture, interior design, and construction is a team effort, and there is no I in team. Greatest asset we have at Al Bahri is our team and our company culture. Thank you.